The school was great. The school offered my students good learning opportunities. The teachers were very good.
Atmosphere of the school. It's very open and it's very easy to communicate with the students, each other. That this is a very great environment for us to study English.
Overall experience here in London, you feel from the very beginning that you are in a TV set because everything is beautiful, everything has a lot of details. It's like being for 3 weeks in a magic place.
In my country, I never speak English, but here I put a tip in my head and I can do it. I recommend this school. It's very good school.
And the teachers are very kind. They ask me which is my weak point, and then they try to improve my weakness. So yeah, it was quite very helpful for me.
The rest of the staff was very helpful and kind and warm, so I felt a very great support. I felt I wasn't alone, and being in charge of a group means taking on a lot of responsibility, but I felt I had the support of the school, and this encourages me to come back.
We learned a lot, at least I did, I don't know. We are now able to speak with people internationally, because back in Portugal we only speak Portuguese, so now we can speak Portuguese and English very well.